Hi, welcome or welcome back. My name is Zani and this is Crime Science. Like always, I want to thank you for clicking on this video. It really means so much to me. Then, if not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and remember that notification bell. If you like this type of content, please hit the like button. Okay, so today I'm going to update you on a few of the cases I've covered. First of all, we're going to talk about Chane Bezuidenhout, then Luyanda Botha, I don't know if you heard about him, and then definitely Deveney Nel. On 26 September, the mother and father of Chane Bezuidenhout, Belinda and Stefan Bezuidenhout, were sentenced to life in prison by Judge Norco. Judge Norco also mentioned that the social officers should take note of these sentences. What does that mean? We will just have to wait and see if the death of this little girl would bring some change to the system in South Africa. But it's not only the system to blame. We as a community are also to blame. It's so easy these days to just turn the other way. Someone else will call the police. Someone else will come to a rescue. In this case, no one did until it was too late. There are so many of these cases that would have had a different ending if one person just said or did something to stop the violence. Did you watch the video I did on what this little girl and her siblings went through? If not, please go and check it out. This little girl never knew what it was to be loved. She and her siblings endured the most horrific abuse until the day she died. On 11 May 2021, at the age of just 2 years old, she was declared dead on a sidewalk. Bruises all over her body in various stages of healing. No warm clothes that covered her little body on this winter's day. Now, what does life in prison mean by South African standards? Well, life may mean life, as in South Africa it has an undetermined length, but a prisoner must be given a parole hearing after 25 years. So, life may sadly also mean just 25 years, depending on the outcome of the parole hearing. What's your feeling about life in prison? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. There is now some organizations that's fighting against life imprisonment. According to them, it's a human rights violation, the right to rehabilitation. There's so much to say about that statement, but I think that's a video for another day. Then we have Luyanda Botha. Have you heard about him? If not, go and check out my video on Uinene Mogotiana. If you watched my video on what happened to her, you will already know his name. You will know that he was given 3 life sentences for what he did to her. A bright young student of the University of Cape Town. So, why am I talking about him if he was already tried, found guilty and sentenced? Well, he's currently fighting an attempted rape case against him that happened in 2014. That is 5 years before he murdered Uinene. According to Luyanda, he went to the nursing college in Athlone to go and see his girlfriend at the time. He just found out that she had been cheating on him and he wanted to confront her. When he arrived there, he went out looking for her. While passing the ladies' bathroom, he heard the shower was on. He went in there hoping to find her. When he entered the shower, again according to him, he bumped into a woman who now accuses him of attempted rape. According to Times Live, attorney Kyle Peterson, representing Botha, stated that there was no evidence of an attempted rape, as the evidence given by the complainant did not mention that her or Botha's clothes were removed. Let's listen to Botha's own words.
She was on her way out, but I could not see her from that position. So we bumped into each other inside the shower. So to lessen the impact, I lifted up my arms, which slightly struck her under the nose or upper lip. So since the floor was also slippery from that same impact of our collision, she fell on her back. She was wrapped in a towel and the towel also fell off from that same impact. So she had nothing underneath the towel. So she was exposed. So she started to scream.
She was wrapped in a towel and the towel fell off. She had nothing underneath the towel, so she was exposed. Please correct me if I understood this wrong. So, Botha can admit in his own words that she was wrapped in a towel and the towel fell off. She was exposed, so she was naked. But if she didn't include in her statement that his or her clothes were removed, there's no attempted rape case. We listened to Botha giving his side of the story. According to her, Botha allegedly entered the shower area, pushed a bin next to the shower and climbed onto it while spying over the rim of the shower when she saw him and screamed. On that, Peterson replied that she found it so problematic that a man would enter a female shower that her conclusion was the only reason he was there was to commit rape. According to him, there is nothing to prove that the accused was there to commit rape. My question, why not find it problematic? What was she supposed to do? Ask him if there's something she can help him with. She fought him with all she had, and he eventually ran away after he got tired. The complainant did all the right things. She went to the police and reported the alleged attempted rape. She also went for medical examination. Unfortunately, the folder could not be found and probably never will, due to the documentation being discarded after 5 years. A case was opened soon after the incident, but after initial court proceedings, the victim disappeared and the matter was removed from the roll. Why would she not show up for court? Well, let's look at just one of the thousands of statistics out there, and that will speak for itself. This case was postponed to 8 November 2024 for judgment. Like always, I'll keep you updated. And now, the update about Deveney Nel. Unfortunately, this is a very short one. This is a very sad case about a lovely grade 10 girl, brutally stabbed by a fellow pupil, someone she knew, someone she often spent time with, and would have never in her wildest dreams think that he would actually stab her to death. Well, this is of course all alleged. The minor accused of this act and who admitted that he did it is not yet convicted of any crimes, so for now the word alleged will have to be used in this video. I currently have 2 videos on this case, so if you're not up to date, please go and check it out. Like I said, the accused is still a minor and therefore can still not be named, so I'm just going to refer to him as the accused. He again very briefly appeared in the Caledon Magistrates Court on 16 October, only for the case to be postponed again to 25 October 2014, as if we didn't know that this will happen. There was still hope that he would be tried as an adult because he is so close to 18, but it seems as if that will not be happening. The National Prosecuting Authority is very firm on that decision. The accused also did not apply for bail and probably will not. He is currently still in a place of safety. When he appeared in court earlier this week, he requested psychological observation. I understand this is the way the system is being used, but really, is this one of those cases that the family will have to wait years for some sort of justice? We will just have to wait and see. If you made it till the end, thank you. It really means so much to me. I also want to say, I mean no disrespect to any of the family members involved in these cases. The only reason I cover it is to create awareness. So please help me in doing that by sharing this video with all of your family and friends. Until next time, bye.